Namaste, everybody. Today's guest is something I was watching for long, and I couldn't reach her for whatever reason. But I'm really immensely happy today to have her on Diva Show today. All of us, or most of us, know about her and her journey. So I got a chance to speak to her, not in person, but at least online. And she is Mrs. Jayanti Katade, the owner of Maharashtrian restaurant under the name Purna Brahma. She started her first branch in Bengaluru and now she is all over. So, how this idea cropped, then how did the Marathi woman becoming a successful businesswoman journey, and also the hurdles obviously she faced, and how she is going to share her experiences and also a piece of advice to people who want to get into something on their own. All that we'll talk to her. Uh, it is not that we have not heard about her work, but let's give another dimension to it today. So let me formally welcome Jayanti Tai to the program. खूप खूप स्वागत. सुस्वागतम.
Jai Hind, Namaskar, everybody.
Namaskar,
Thanks
everybody.
a lot, dear, for inviting me on such a big and amazing platform where online is the life now.
Yes, it's a new norm
Thanks,
now.
thanks, thanks a lot for inviting me.
Pleasure is all mine. Jayanti Tai, let me start with Aham Vaishvanaro Bhutva Praninam Deham Ashrita Pranapana Samayukta Pachamanyam Chaturveda. So you not only satisfy the palate, but you also satisfy the soul. Um, how being a professional aspirant software, did you always like cooking to begin with?
Hmm. See, unless there is a fire under your belly, under your feet, you won't wake up from your feet to do something out of the out of the way.
No, yeah.
And that fire has to happen, and that happens almost twice. But those were the indications only. I was unable to get that really in a way where I would start to improve. But when I came back, so 2 3 episodes happened.
Hmm,
The connecting dots
hmm,
definitely are there.
hmm,
Huge thanks for that. That yes, from the age of 6, I started my life in kitchen along with my grandma.
hmm,
Not as a orthodox family, but as a very open family where she was working as a principal in a school in that era. Okay,
okay.
she was very strict. She was an English teacher,
Uh-huh.
and she used to teach home science to all Kanya Vidyalaya, which means all girls school. So the same science she has brought. The first thing what she taught us was kitchen is not only for employer, it is a science lab. So consider that as a science lab, do all the experiments, and every experiment should be successful because it is going to somebody else's tummy. And those somebody else are nothing but they are yours. So you can't do any mistake. You have to be perfect. तो बचपन से वो हाथ आई थिंक मेरा हाथ सेट है वो संस्कार सेट है बट आई वॉज नॉट इन इन in a path where I will start Purna Brahma. When my husband traveled to Paris and he wrote our first love letter after marriage, huh? Not before marriage. After marriage, he went to Paris. I was carrying my first baby, and he was there. And you know that Bidai and Bithadna and all that stuff, the love story of the couple. And same thing happened with me. He wrote a letter. He said, Moni, Priya Moni, खूप लिहायचंय, खूप आठवण येते, पण त्या आधी खरं सांगू का फार भूक लागली. 15 दिवस झाले खायला मिळालं नाही आणि त्याच्या डोळ्यात नाही ड्रॉप खाली पडतो. तो ड्रॉपचा शाही आजही ब्लर आहे. That was the day when he called me and he said, I wrote a letter. It will reach to you sooner, but I'm hungry. I need food. And I'm eating only rice. That day, the first hit came in my mind. Wherever Pranav is going, there should be some vegetarian restaurant. He will be able to eat something. Then days follows, and then you you become same race cars half a dollar speed, and you try to earn money and try to be like lavish, which you are not, and still you are showing the whole show off of the life. And we went to Australia for a good week. We came back for good. While coming back, there was a second major hit happened. I was carrying a baby with me and was unable to feed her because I was not having anything, because we haven't told to the airways that uh, we are vegetarian people. And that time it used to be like they used to load only the vegetarian meals. Unfortunately, they tried a lot of things for us. Fruit, bread, butter, everything. What we can eat when you are hungry for food? And I was like completely upset. I said, इस फ्लाइट में तो पक्का वड़ा पाव स्टार्ट करके दिखाएंगे तभी शांत रहो. एंड माय हस्बैंड वाज लाइक गदादारी भी शांत रहो. We came back for good. We reached home and I was like craving for Marathi food. इनका यार अब तो चालू ही करना. So started my small business on food. And then 3 years I struggled myself
Yes.
to arrange the menu of Maharashtrian food. Being
Yeah.
a Maharashtrian lady in a non-Maharashtrian region,
Yes.
when you are plating Marathi food for non-Marathi people,
Yes. Yes.
you should be perfect. वो
Absolutely.
कहते हैं ना हम कितने कांटों का ताज पहनते हैं हमें पता है ताज आपको दिखता
Yes. Okay. So, um,
है. That was the start.
on this point, I have a similar question. Um, every community has its own thali, and
Yes.
they are very proud of it. And all of us, being Indian, are foodie, whether
Yeah.
we accept it or not. But Indian food is called food in my context also. I think other things fall under snacks. They don't fall under food. So,
Very true.
so Maharashtrian thali is known to people now. At least I see is like all kind of mutton varieties, chicken varieties, and at the most ukdiche modak. Uh, you being a hardcore non-vegetarian person, why vegetarian restaurant?
Okay. See, the whole family is vegetarian,
I see.
and me being a non-vegetarian because I was having a background of sports and I was a national player for athletics, gymnastics. My parents were my coach.
Ah,
They are pure hardcore vegetarian,
I see.
but they saw that there are team members who have that built up
Yes,
of a non-vegetarian.
yes.
It's not a myth; it's a fact. You have to accept.
True.
So they ask us to have non-vegetarian food. They have arranged those things for us. So I'm a hardcore non-vegetarian. Other than human, I can eat anything on this earth. And believe me on that, because when I'm saying that I'm a foodie, I'm a
Hmm.
restaurant owner, I should know the taste of each and
Yes.
everything.
Yes.
Down the line, I have started my non-vegetarian restaurant brand as well.
Okay.
So Purna Brahma is for all those vegetarian people
Hmm.
who are craving for vegetarian meals.
Yes.
Ladies, see, I'll tell you, Maharashtrian family, they are not hardcore non-veg people.
No, they are
If
not.
they are also, they don't eat every.
Yeah.
They eat dal roti rice only.
Yes.
Koshimir, papad, chutney,
Yes.
lodko.
Yes.
This is how we are.
Yes.
So Indians are like that. They go for non-veg dishes once in a while.
Yeah.
Maybe weekly, thrice weekly, 4 times, but not every.
Hmm.
Correct? So when I was outside India, I used to cook, take care of it, put them into a daycare, go to the office, come back, pick up them, come back home, cook like a maid and do everything. And husband category, they will just wake up,
Yeah.
they'll get ready, they'll
Yes.
go to the office,
Yes.
they'll work there, they'll come back,
True.
they will rest because full day they have
Yeah.
work,
Worked. Yes.
they will rest
Yes.
and they will have food, they'll sleep.
True.
This is a typical, this is not I'm making out anything, this is real fact.
Yes. Yes. It is. It is a
इतनी बार
mindset.
इतनी बार ऐसा हुआ है कि लिटरली जो बांधा हुआ बंद है बात रूम में बांधा हुआ जो बंद है वो ऐसा का वैसा लेके ऑफिस चले गए. And I felt really bad that ladies are not getting their own meal
Yeah.
when they are sick, when they want something, when they are pregnant and they
Yeah.
are craving for puran poli, when they
Yes.
are craving for misal, when
Yes.
they are craving for vada pav,
Yes.
when they are craving for sabudana khichdi,
Yes.
they are not getting anything like
Getting
this.
it. True.
They have to wait either their mother has to come or they
Yes.
have to get up from the bed and cook
And cook for
by
themselves.
their
Yes.
own.
Yes.
So all these things, were pushing me to do something. शिवाजी दूसरे के घर में क्यों
क्यों हो?
जाए? वो हमारे इसमें ही क्यों ना हो?
क्यों
क्योंकि
हो?
तेवढी महाराजांनी ताकद भरली आहे ना,
हम्म,
मग आपण आपल्यात उभं. I started my own
हम्म.
and vegetarian, pure Maharashtrian meal was the challenge, and I took that. I said throughout life of Purnapali, I will not sell anything other than Maharashtra because Maharashtrian cuisine is beyond vada pav and poha.
Yes. Yes.
It has got lot of variety. It took me
Yes.
3 years to design the menu, and and yeah, we have different days, different thalis from different regions of Maharashtra. Believe me, I went to each and every village, every city in Maharashtra to see what they are serving on their typical temples like
Hmm.
Vithai temple in Pandharpur, Gandhapur temple in Dattaguru temple in Gandhapur, then
Yes.
Mahalakshmi temple in Kolhapur,
Yes.
Tulzapur, all those temples, very special temples, very known temples. I went there. I've checked with those, even pujaris, we have asked them, why you are making this kind of thali over here? What is the purpose? Then they actually shared their stories of experience or
Hmm.
their ancestor what they shared with
Hmm.
them. And then we realized, okay, my first day of week is Monday. It will start with Raigad region, Shiva Thali, because Monday is for Shiva.
Hmm. Hmm.
So let's put everything white
Hmm.
in that.
Hmm.
So we have curd rice, we have kadhi, we have simple steam rice, we have bhari, but with made out of curd. So a lot of white options because Shiva likes white, and you should eat white on. So that is what the science behind.
Yeah.
Okay. Friday you should eat less.
Huh.
You should not eat more.
Huh.
So we have a lot of preparation of Balaji thali, that is moong dal khichdi, moong dal vada, moong dal halwa. Then lot of lesser which is light for your stomach
Mhm.
and which is very digestive. We have a dessert called as gul shela made out of pumpkin.
Hmm.
So we actually take pumpkin, हम लोग उसको आटे के अंदर दबा के रखते हैं, उसमें शुगर डालने की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगी. ये है साइंस, ये है ट्रेडिशन. Then we have Mahalakshmi Thali on Sunday,
Hmm.
which is
Yeah.
typical
Hmm.
puran puri, masala bhat,
Hmm.
modak,
Lavish.
everything. We
Hmm.
have Saturday Vidarbha region,
Hmm.
that is Gajanan Maharaj, Dunka Bhakar, Patodi,
Yes.
Rasna,
Mm-hmm.
Brijli,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Bhaji Bhat, Vada Bhat, all that from Vidarbha. So the whole Maharashtra got covered
Yes.
in those thalis. And
Yes.
only thalis are not getting served.
No.
We have a lot of them.
Yeah. Regions.
185 items in the menu.
Yeah. Regions are covered. That's really wonderful. I have just read these names, but I was not aware of such so much of thought process behind it.
Yeah.
Excellent. Um, which profession is more fierce, Jayantitai? Software or hotel owner?
See, when you work for your work, there is no fear, uh, there is no stopping.
Hmm.
I was with IT company, I
Hmm.
was enjoying that. But when the day I decided that I have to shift my whole career from IT to food, it was a very easy transition for me.
Hmm.
But what I did is again connecting dots.
Hmm.
पूरा आईटी का करियर कितना एक्सपीरियंस होल्ड किया था, सारा का सारा फूड इंडस्ट्री में डाल दिया. You will not find such kind of combination anywhere because all other recipes, all other restaurants, all other countries, they have recipes like in ounce.
Ah,
They will measure everything in ounce
yes.
or
Yes.
grams.
Yes.
We don't do that. We have our own coding. If you ask any chef of Purnagram, how you make masala bhat. They will say 100804 and end of the story. These are our recipes. These are standard practices. You go anywhere in the world,
Mhm.
you use this code and you will make exactly same masala bhat anywhere.
I see. So under that code, you have written the prescription, I would say,
Yes,
and then
yes, yeah,
okay, and so it is followed everywhere. Um,
yeah.
I want to know because the kind of a stress software industry people face, especially women, as you just now said in the beginning, that women who have to cook their own food and take it to office and also rest on, and then same deadlines, same commitments, same overnight con calls and all sorts of rituals what every software has to face. Is that profession more stressful, fierce, or hotel industry is more fierce, stressful?
Okay. There you have a client and you have a boss.
Yeah.
Okay. So client pressure boss will take, but boss pressure you have to take.
Yes.
You know, it is both side.
Hmm.
We actually take a heat of 180 degrees
Hmm. Hmm.
because client who is the customer,
Hmm.
end consumer or a guest
Hmm.
who is hungry,
Hmm.
person when he is hungry is more dangerous than
Dangerous.
it can't be served. Okay, so we have to handle them. And inside, it's the industrial kitchen is 180 degrees heat. So when you get a heat on your hand,
Yes.
everything is like physical, correct?
Yeah.
At the same time, you have to handle a team of 20 to 30 people, and I was handling a team of 200 people.
Hmm.
My schedule
Hmm.
when I was in IT,
Hmm.
it was starting at 5 o'clock,
Hmm.
ending at 11 o'clock.
Yeah.
My schedule as a Purna Brahma mother, as a mother of two kids, as a wife, as a IT profession, as a owner of the brand,
Hmm.
and everything starts at 4 o'clock in the morning, ends at 12:30 in the night. Roughly 4 hours of sleep is enough for me.
Yes.
But
Yes.
and believe me, it's amazing. It's amazing. It's
Absolutely.
very stressful. It's very happy. It's very happening. You have to create every day. To create the world every day. You
Hmm.
have to learn every day.
Yes.
Correct.
Yes.
Today it is Guru Purnima.
Yeah.
I actually bowed down in front of my team, saying that thanks a lot for being my guru. Correct. You learn from your housekeeper. You learn from your
Yes.
general manager. You
Everyone
learn from
around you. Yeah.
everybody around. I
Yes.
learn every day from my kids.
You have a statement, I heard it, that your clothing should not be barrier to walk your dream.
Yes,
Okay. Now you said a trend of nowhere. It's not new thing. Our earlier generation even played with this attire, so it's
yes,
nothing new.
yes.
But now it has become an occasional attire. Not all the people prefer it. Uh,
Correct.
but you flaunt it almost everywhere.
Yeah.
even
So
even
actually,
in your TED talks, I have seen you in Nawari and no.
no. Yeah.
Why? Why?
See, when you are in Rome, behave like a Roman is not the only line which you have to write on the whiteboards or blackboards in your school. You have to actually follow that. I was holding a brand which is Maharashtrian brand.
Yeah,
So I'm
yeah,
proudly wearing
yeah.
right from my hair to toes, everything should look like Maharashtrian. Second major scientific and technical thing in this, because I am running a Maharashtrian restaurant, I am expecting that my manager should also wear dhotar or nawar.
Hmm.
Correct. If I ask them to wear nawar or dhotar to gents, they will tell me some reason. This is not comfortable.
Hmm.
This is really
Hmm.
problematic. This has got this.
Hmm.
You don't know. You are wearing jeans and all that. How come? Okay,
Hmm.
because I will start time.
Hmm.
Let me get into this
Hmm.
first and then I will
Hmm.
come and tell you.
Hmm.
पहले खुद करके देखो कि
जी,
कितने
जी.
प्रॉब्लम्स है।
Yeah, yeah.
प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं है तो बताओ पूरा नाक ऊपर करके भैया
Yes,
कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं मैं कर रही हूँ
yes,
पिछले
yes.
7 साल से नहीं मैं
Yeah,
सॉल्व
lead with the example, not with
करेक्ट
yeah, yeah.
एंड आई यूज टू वेयर दिस नंबर तो मेरा ब्रदर इन मेरे साथ देवर हमेशा साथ में था
Uh-huh.
तो बोलता क्या हम नौटंकी करते रहती है ना तो मैं उसको बोलती थी देखना ये नंबर ना ट्रेंड बनेगा
Hmm.
तो बोलता था इसको कभी मत छोड़ जिंदगी में मत छोड़, मैं हमेशा तेरे साथ रहूंगा। तो वो जो पिलर था ना,
जी,
तो वो सपोर्ट शायद पहली बार
strong.
लोगों को भी आदत होने के लिए टाइम लगा। पीपल हैव आस्क्ड मी sarcastically,
Mm-hmm. Oh,
too much of wearing, you know. तो उनको वैसा ही आंसर दिया गया कि अ, अगर यहाँ पे आग लग गई तो शायद तुम्हें बाहर का बाइक लेके मैं जा पाऊंगी, आप बाइक से बैठ भी नहीं पाओगे। करेक्ट। The same question has been asked by one of the uh, very old age lady at London airport. I was coming back to India via London, and I saw that one lady is coming in the transit towards me very speedily, and she stopped. She said, "Are you Jayanti? Huh? You are from Purna Brahma, correct? Yes. You own that brand? I think so. शाबास, तुझे करून दाखवलंस ते एकदम सुंदर. तुझ्या अटायरनी अख्ख्या जगाला कळत आहे की मराठी रेस्टॉरंट
true.
आणि मराठी पदार्थ आहे. आणि मग तो आशीर्वाद न तुमच्या डोळ्यात पाणी आणतो. And that's
Very
the
touching.
shabashi you get for your
Yes,
own decisions what you have taken.
yes,
And
yes,
then you feel,
absolutely.
okay, boss, everything is fine.
Done.
We are at the right path.
True, true, very true. As of now, how many branches and franchises do you have across the world? I would say now.
Yeah. We have an experience of 39 centers across the world.
Mhm.
And out of
They are
that,
run by you yourself personally.
those are like a franchisee and run
Ah,
by us,
I see.
the
Okay,
mixed number.
okay.
And as before COVID, those were running, those were really flourishing. During COVID, we started two centers,
Mhm.
one in Atlanta, one in North Carolina. And after in between COVID, many people took the pause. Many people have merged the center.
Mm, mhm.
Many people said that we don't want to run continue.
Okay.
So now we are remaining with four in India
Mhm.
and two are in outside. So six, and we are starting August, September, October, November. All
Definitely.
4 months we are starting outside India. Mauritius, Texas, Denver, and London.
Super. Awesome. Wonderful. Um, I am personally I'm also extremely good in eating, if not cooking. And
Wow. We love this kind of people.
and I have a lot of preferences also. What should go with what, and which menu
Yeah.
should be today, and what should be the side dish, and at least four varieties on the plate, and all those things. Having said so, you're in a perishable industry because the shelf life is really a critical point here. Have you learned the tact of selling morning food to the customer for dinner and but eating it? So how do you maintain the freshness is what I want to check with you.
It is a myth that Indian food has got only three grades:
Hmm.
red,
Hmm.
white,
White, yeah.
brown.
Brown.
No, it is not.
No, no, no.
Maharashtrian cuisine
Hmm.
starts from the mustard seed when you put in the oil.
Hmm.
It starts from there.
Hmm.
It ends at the tarjani of your hand
Yeah.
when it gets leaked like this. Yeah. So it ends there. Now this part is so tricky.
Yes.
You have to maintain each and
Yes.
every part of it.
Absolutely.
We don't give you any pre-cooked.
Uh-huh.
If you go to any restaurant of Purna Brahma,
Hmm.
you will get everything fresh. They'll make it because vada pav also takes at least 7 minutes to cook.
Yeah. But then you are
Right
selling a
from the
thali,
batter to
so
aloo.
your menu must be ready already, isn't it?
Thalis, we are making it every day morning. बाप्पा का कृपा है, बराबर जितना थाली बनाते सारा खत्म हो
खत्म
जाता
हो
है.
जाता है. Awesome.
Same way, like Annapurnas in Maharashtrian family, what they do, they put the cooker, pressure cooker,
Yeah.
in the morning.
Yeah.
दाल राइस पहले लगा के रख देते हैं.
Yes. Yes.
जो दाल है उसका आधा दाल मॉर्निंग में बनता है, आधा इवनिंग में बनता है. सेम प्रोसेस.
I see.
No change in that because that is what the sanskar we have.
Yeah. Yes.
Correct? You have to cut the vegetables for morning different,
Hmm.
keep the half vegetable for the evening,
Hmm.
and make the fresh curry in the evening. It takes just 10 minutes.
Yeah.
make it at that time. Everything is ready by 7:30. And before we serve you,
Mm.
our 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 staff normally takes their food. We
Nice.
don't allow them
Nice.
to eat later.
Wonderful. That's beautiful. That's really
Yeah.
beautiful.
So those are our discount offers where we actually tell them we don't have any business pilferages for our food. वो दृष्टि नहीं है कुछ नहीं क्योंकि उसका
हाँ
पेट भरा हुआ है वो
हाँ
आराम से लाके
हाँ
सर्व हाँ
हाँ
यार मस्त
या
खा
या
जितना खाना
परमात्मा आत्मा satisfied है so then it is no
करेक्ट
yes
करेक्ट
yes very true.
and second one if you as a end consumer
Hmm.
finish the dish we will give you 5% discount and if you waste our food we'll charge you 2% more on your food.
How do you measure it?
We see your plates. If you throw the food we will make sure that we'll charge you.
Okay.
If you don't like you tell us we'll make it 10 times.
हाँ हाँ
But if you liked it you
and
have
you still did
eaten
not
half
finish it.
and yeah you have to finish everything.
Okay, I
बस मजाक
understand.
नहीं है अंदर खाना बनाने वाले
Yes, yes. No,
बड़े
it's
तमन्नाओं से खाना
exactly
बना रहे हैं.
exactly. You use not only the brand but the tradition also as it is. Like at home also, mother will scold you if you don't finish the plate and you
Exactly.
yeah
We used to get 1 rupee, from
yes
my grandfather when we used to
yes.
finish the thali. If we don't, we have to actually we used to clean the thalis of all others. That was the punishment.
Punishment,
अब वो
yes.
punishment नहीं मिलना चाहिए ताकि हम लोग खाना खा लेते. कौन धोएगा है पात्र? Right? So we have music therapy also. Like my granny, she used to cook the food
By
by
chanting.
saying Ram,
Yeah,
by saying Ram Raksha, Sarvashirsha, Jap, Gayatri.
yeah.
Now all these uh, team members, they don't know all that.
Hmm.
We have started sharing with them that this is what the culture is. If you say Mahalakshmi Ashtak, you will make Puran in that 21 minutes. If you say Ram Raksha for 7 minutes, you will make the pitla out of it.
Brilliant.
If you say Bhima Rupi Maharudra, Bhima Raksha, you will make Patodi Rasal. So those are tantra mantra and sevidya.
Beautiful.
I have wrote down everything. I have actually trained them for that.
Super.
अब कि कुछ लोगों को वो पसंद आता है कुछ लोगों को वो नहीं भाता है
Yes.
तमिलियंस है
Yeah.
मलयाली लोग है कनाडिगास है
Yeah.
स्पेनिश है
Yeah.
जर्मन है
Yeah.
इंग्लिश है
True.
कुछ हिंदी है
Yeah.
जिनको ये सब नहीं आता है
नहीं
तो
आता.
हम लोग कतरीना कैफ का 7 मिनट का कोई गाना आता है वही गा लो कारण ना तन मन धन लावायचं
Yeah, yeah. True.
पूरण करताना चारण
Dedication.
करताना
Yes.
डेडिकेशन पाहिजे and when you are singing a song you will put your effort.
Yes.
And
Yes.
then there is the water therapy. Every 1 hour, there is a water man who will get the jug, who will give water to everybody in the team. Right from the
Beautiful.
managers to housekeeper, everybody
Staff.
has to bring very small um, glass of water, not the full glass,
No,
just
yeah.
half glass, full patra.
Yeah.
That actually helps you to be hydrated and the
Hmm.
smile remains there.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
If you are not hydrated,
Hmm.
your smile goes off.
It shows that way. Next, very related question to the today's buzzword. What is mean by empowerment? I'm carefully not saying it women empowerment because I personally do not agree with that. Um, what is
Yes.
mean by empowerment?
The empowerment has to happen for mindset.
Mhm.
Empowerment should not be for gender specific.
Mm.
Okay, I will give you one example.
Mm.
I normally sit for the franchisee discussions with many couples, many ladies, many gents. Okay. Gents are more inclusive to know what exactly I'm doing.
Mm.
If she can do it, my wife can do it. Is what the challenge they have in their brain.
Mhm. Mhm.
My first answer for that thought is always like this. Thus, it's a dedication, hard work, and complete patience on which I'm sitting along with my partner.
Mm.
Without him, I cannot. So you have to stand with her, not behind, not ahead.
Mm.
You have to stand with her.
Mm.
If she is not coming till 11:30 at home, you should not shout on her.
Mm.
You should be calm and take care of the house very well. She will not come back to you, give
Perfect.
you a cup of tea. That
Yeah.
is not possible in
Yeah.
this world.
Yeah.
One fine day, same couple, similar couple came. And that lady called me. She was an architect and she left her job because of her kids. And after 35 years, she saw my video and she said, I want to start my own restaurant. And the whole savings what she was having, she called me and she said, I have a saving on which I want to start the restaurant. But before that, you have to convince my husband. I said, no, no way. I will never get into the couple. You both decide, come back, we will take. Okay, fine, I will bring him. You share us the details. If he agrees, we will do it. If he not, then I will just go on. Okay, fine. They came. The first line was that I must say that creature gave. Hmm, Ranga,
Hmm.
try it.
Hmm.
Like, what? And my brother-in-law said, Bobby, chalu karo. So I gave the whole details. He stood up. He said, Chalo, yeah, चला त्यांच्या मनगटात ताकद आहे तुमच्या आहे का चला इकडनं that lady cried in front of me with a tear of drop जो शेल ब्रेक करके लेडी आई थी उसी शेल को इसने जमा किया खुद को दिया गुस्सा के पूरी तरह से दबा के यहाँ से चली गई स्टोरी यहाँ खत्म नहीं होती she called me after that and she said जयंती तुझं 2.5 वर्षाचं लेकरू तुला म्हणतं ममा गो फॉर पूर्ण तो मेरा 28 साल का लड़का मुझे मैसेज भेजता है what the heck mama what are you doing stay at home and be calm I cried that day a lot I think the mindset has to change the empowerment of the mindset should happen and not the gender specific empowerment is required we can buy our own time
Absolutely. And it is not only, I would say one more statement ahead of this, that it is not only the mindset of men, it is a mindset of women also. Many women,
definitely
their cooking
definitely
is limited to their home, at the most to the function, and they cannot think of going beyond it.
and they cannot see the mindset of woman I will one girl she come out of her house and she said wow, what a beautiful rangoli you have made. Last year, I think I have made it same way, but the color was different. You cannot appreciate one person who is staying with you from long years, just your neighbor. You cannot even appreciate her. You always see the other person's sari, bangles, car, mobile, everything, but you can't see your own. यार मेरे पास पैटर्न ही नहीं है लेकिन मेरे पास नारायण पेट है तो मैं खुश हूँ करेक्ट ये जो झगड़ा है ना खुद से खुद का कि मेरा नसीब फूटा है मैं थी करके निभा लिया आई मीन यू आर नॉट द सुपर वुमन यार यू आर जस्ट अ वुमन एंड यू हैव गॉट ऑल दोज फैसिलिटीज एंड ऑल दोज माइंडसेट which everybody else has got. Sudha Murthy madam also got 24 hours of
Yes,
the day.
yes, yes.
We also got 24 hours
Absolutely,
of the day.
absolutely, absolutely.
वो उनके लाइफ का सोना कर रहे हैं हम सो के सोना कर
True.
that's the difference. I
Yes,
don't have a time. Who has got a time?
I know. I hear
But
it a
in a
lot.
way,
Yes.
yeah, नहीं उसको ना गरम खाना खिलाना पड़ता है. Who the hell and why? You are so valued. You should decide. And if you decide to be like that, then treat yourself like that.
Yes.
Then don't cry for it.
Yes.
मुझे ना गरम खाना दिए बिना हो अरे यार what every time you cannot be a winner.
True.
किसी भी
And you
मेरी
can still
पढ़नी
manage
मेरी
it. You can still make it. Giving garam khana if you manage your
I
time
do.
properly. Yes. Yes. Yeah.
बस
Yeah.
मेरे घर का डाइनिंग टेबल का पड़ा हुआ टॉवेल गीला टॉवेल अगर मैंने सुखा ने नहीं डाला तो कोई मुझे भारत रत्न नहीं वापस लेने वाला है या फिर सुखा ने डाल दिया तो कोई आके मेरे को नोबेल नहीं देने वाला आई हैव टू डिसाइड माई ओन
Yes. Yes.
राइट आई हैव टू डिसाइड माई प्रायोरिटी मैं मेरे बच्चों को रात को 2 बजे का फ्लाइट लेके अगर घर में पहुंच रही हूँ तो मैं 2 बजे भी उठाती हूँ ममा इज बैक आई इज बैक गेट अप आई नीड अ we hug each other they will get up at 7 o'clock because they know that I have got another work where they have to also participate. When you take your family as your support system, everybody will start
Yes.
supporting you.
Absolutely. Acha,
Yeah.
coming back to the thing. Now you said you have started Maharashtrian thing in non-Maharashtrian area. So it starts with skill. It starts with people. It starts with staff. It starts with raw material also. Uh, wasn't it too much of things to plan about or think about?
3 years, I told you. It
Yeah.
took me 3 years to plan everything,
Hmm.
right from which menu will go with what,
Hmm.
who will cook what,
Hmm.
how I am going to train my localites.
Hmm.
I have actually studied the whole case study of Domino's.
Huh.
You never get any Italian guy to make the Domino's pizza in India.
No, no, no.
You get localites,
Yes,
how they
yes.
are making,
True, true.
how they are making the same pizza what they
Yes.
are trying to make it.
Very true.
Why? What is that which is making them so standardized?
Mm.
And then I realized we have in Maharashtra, we have called as Soul, which is the rule and regulations has been written in our
Yes.
own Grantha.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
When I found out those relation between ISO standard 2010, 2017, 2021 of food industry, I realized, boss, this is same. Rather, the solar part has got more detailing than this ISO standard.
Hmm.
And I
Yeah,
took
of course.
those as a process
Mhm.
and built those processes with my local team. स्पैनिश बंदे को जब मोदक बनाना सिखाया ना, तो असली मजा वहां आया. So you need that spirit to talk. Love language is the best language.
Yes.
First,
Abs-
I
absolutely.
couldn't learn Kannada, but I can
Ah.
speak Kannada now. At least some numbers, some names,
Hmm.
some words I can use.
Hmm.
Okay?
Hmm.
My amma,
Hmm.
who were a chef here,
Hmm.
when I taught her, was there is a difference between sambar and thodni word. She realized it very easily because it's mother to mother tongue.
Yeah. Yeah.
Correct? Garam bhat and sadavaran too. We eat like that. When I
Yes.
told her, this is our kids' food, this can be taken by the 85-year-old kids or 5 months baby kid also.
Absolutely.
You have to understand that just that logic. And those logic we have just taken off and just with it. Everybody is working with the codes now.
And now
No need
the
to be worry about it.
yeah.
Right?
And now the code also
Ingredient,
100801 something.
that is the key element of the recipes of Purna Brahma from the day one.
Yes, yes, I got to know about it. Recently, you started home chef idea as well.
Yes, I do.
Yeah,
I started
please,
that.
yeah, please tell about that.
During COVID, there were many places where, uh, okay, this 1.5 year, Purna Brahma haven't stopped. We are working throughout the day,
Hmm.
throughout the night few times.
Hmm.
Okay, and I actually personally visited hundreds of houses to deliver the food
Hmm.
because many places this cars were not allowing with the two-wheelers, Swiggy were not going, Zomato were not going.
Okay,
Those were COVID areas,
okay.
cantonment zone. So I used to get a call from say चंडीगढ़ से कॉल आया था. वो मम्मी डैडी ने फोन किया, बोलते यहाँ पोहा मिलता है, चाय मिलता है, हाँ, खाना मिल जाएगा दाल रोटी, हाँ, वो मराठी वाला ही खाना मिलता है ना. हाँ आंटी, कहाँ चाहिए आपको बताइए. हमें कहाँ, हम तो चंडीगढ़ में बैठे. मैंने कहा मेरा तो चंडीगढ़ में नहीं है सेंटर अभी, हम अभी नहीं दे पाएंगे. बोले नहीं नहीं, गल सुन. हाँ बोलिए. बोले मेरा बेटा आया है लंदन से, वो क्वारंटाइन है, बेचारे को मैगी के अलावा कुछ नहीं मिल रहा है, तू जाके छोड़ाएगी बेटी. हाँ, छोड़ाएंगे. तो जाके हम लोगों ने उस बंदे को भी खाना खिलाया.
Super.
So whole COVID
Yeah.
time when I have seen that Purna Brahma is also not reaching to some, I decided to ask home chefs to be part of Purna Brahma. We train them, we ask them to start Purna Brahma centers from their house
Super.
as a single chef.
Yeah.
We have given them a recipe, we
Yeah.
have given them masala, we
Yeah.
have given them packing material.
Hmm.
We said, now cook this
Hmm.
and start working on it.
Hmm.
and those were the food which was reaching to maximum COVID. That was the participation of Purna Brahma Kaur from all over cities. We started in Gujarat, we started in Nashik, we started in Pune, we started in Mumbai, we started in Bangalore also. Along with this, we started with Redison and Atria Foundation and given 1 lakh meal free to the required people to the front line in
Great,
this school.
great.
So this was the home chef idea. And we did that.
Wonderful. I think it also includes that if at all I have some sort of a requirement and I don't want to be a cook in my kitchen, but I want home cooked food. So in that case, I can invite the home chef and they can cook for me my menu.
Yes, it is like that.
It is like that.
Same way we did just now recently we did it in Redison. That family is a Maharashtrian family, girl side, and boys side it was a Kannadiga family. So Maharashtrian family were trying to give Marathi food
Food.
on their marriage day.
Hmm.
So they asked us, we go to Radisson, we went there, we cook Marathi food, patodi rasa, masale bhat, patar bhaji, kadi bhaji, सगळं दिलं. रगड खाल्लं लोकांनी.
I said, I'll come to the COVID question later, but before that, any such point, any such situation where you felt that you regretted, why did I get into this? My software job was much beautiful.
No, I have till now no that they didn't came. But yes, this kind of food is required many places. There are many ladies who don't want to start any restaurant or
Hmm,
anything.
hmm,
They want to just do their own job.
hmm,
They want to get pregnant and have babies and do the families and everything. But
hmm,
at the same time, they want their as part of their meal. If they go to any place, they should be able to order puran puri, misal pav, vada pav, and all that stuff. I want to be there for their wish because I crave for that food. I don't want anybody else to crave for this food. And I cried for that. यार कब पहुंचेंगे इन सब जगहों पे जहाँ पे इसकी जरूरत है रशिया में we have n number of students doctor students who are from Maharashtra and
hmm.
then they don't get our food.
Yeah,
They get their Russian food, which
yes.
these people cannot eat. So
Yeah,
they
they
make
don't even
mistakes
get Indian
on that.
food. Forget about Maharashtrian food.
Yeah,
Yes.
Indian food. So I am wishing that I will start somewhere in Russia. I would like to give a misal to Trump and usal to Modi sir. खा के देखो यार वेजिटेरियन नहीं मिलेगा अच्छा है वेजिटेरियन खाना ये थोड़ा कोविड खत्म हो जाए तो थोड़ा कुकर लगाना भी सिखा देंगे उस चीज लोगों को लड़खड़ा रहे हैं
हाँ,
संभल रहे हैं
हाँ,
तजुर्बे हो रहे हैं
हाँ.
और तजुर्बेकार भी हो रहे
क्या बात है. Super. Wisdom. Um, okay, in COVID period, people were talking a lot about medical staff and doctors as frontline warriors. But I think food was never stopped, especially in Karnataka. Also, I've seen it. Food was never stopped. Though people were not going to restaurant, but they were getting a lot of home delivery and lot of home food. I have seen in my apartment also that my security would be really tired of accepting the parcel from restaurants. Hotel industry has worked a lot for keeping that entire thing alive and awake. I'm sure Purna Brahma was also actively involved. Have you, you just now shared your experience just now, but how many
हैं
people you have uh, fed as of now? I mean, what differently you did rather?
um, see we started our mobile app which
Uh-huh.
was actually allowing people to order from different different locations which are beyond Swiggy and Zomato. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
Swiggy Zomato has done wonderful job, but they also have limitations,
Yeah.
correct?
Yeah.
रेस्टोरेंट ओनर्स अगर ऑन ही नहीं करते तो
Mm.
स्विगी जोमेटो के हवा
How
लेके
will they
जाते
take? Yes. Yes. Yes.
राइट वी वर वर्किंग
Mm.
and we have been harassed by system and this is the reality.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
You allow Swiggy person to do the delivery till 3 o'clock in the night or
Mm.
11:30 in the night,
Mm.
and you ask restaurant owners to close by 9 o'clock.
Mm.
When we close at 9 o'clock, we reach our homes at 9:30.
Mm.
From
True.
9 to 9:30, it will take some time for us to close and go. We were the second front line, I must say. The second line which was there, वो हम लोग थे और हम लोग बहुत ताकत से खड़े। एक बहुत अच्छा चीज हुआ है, जितनी भी गंदगी थी सोसाइटी में, रेस्टोरेंट्स में, वो सारी निकल चुकी है। अब रेस्टोरेंट्स लॉजिकली कि पूर्ण ब्रह्म जिस दिन से स्टार्ट हुआ एक प्रोसेस को लेके स्टार्ट हुआ है, तो वी हैव अ डीप क्लीनिंग टाइमलाइन, वी हैव पेस्ट कंट्रोल टाइमलाइन, वी हैव normal cleaning timeline. We keep our shutters down during that time. Those facilities have been implanted in many restaurants
Yeah.
now, because now that's the norm.
No. So no. Yes.
You can't take chance with your own life.
Uh-huh.
You
And
can't
I
take chance.
and I hope that they are questioned by the authorities now
Yes,
about this.
they are starting. There are authorities which are coming and checking everything.
Awesome.
This is the time where we should get strict and stricter.
Yes. Yes.
The more we will get real good food from the restaurant, and life of an end consumer will be very easy.
Mm.
Like what Big Basket is doing a door delivery of groceries, have actually relieved many mothers.
Very true.
Correct.
Very true.
Similarly, restaurants in COVID, I was a COVID patient.
Huh.
I got infected last
Mm.
to last month.
Mm-hmm.
The whole family was infected.
Mm.
We got all Dunzo deliveries from Purnabram.
Yes.
So delivery channels were really good, has helped a lot of COVID families, non-COVID families, people who were quarantined because they traveled from outside, and everybody whoever is requiring
Yeah.
that particular.
Yeah.
अगं सिंपल सांगते, बाळणपण सुद्धा केलीत, मंगळागौरी केल्या, आणि लग्नही लावलीत. All things we have done. I have made food for every
Everybody.
possible
Yeah.
occasion.
Yeah. 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 People are
अगदी
not stopped. Everything is going on. Everything is going on.
एरवीसाठी सुद्धा केलं. एकच आजोबा होते, आजी कोविड मध्ये गेल्या, खूप मनापासून येऊन सांगितलं तिच्यासाठीच पान लावायचं, काय करू शकते. म्हटलं दिलं. एक पूर्ण थाळी बनवली, तांदळाची खीर घरून बनवून दिली, कारण आम्ही पूर्णब्रह्ममध्ये
Yes. No. That.
घरून बनवून दिली. त्यांना सांगितलं, त्यांनी पान लावलं, आजीच्या आत्म्याला शांती, हे सुद्धा केलं.
True. One last question. uh, what message do you want to take to the people who want to start something new venture, not food industry as such, especially something rather than what they are doing? They are not enjoying it. It is not convenient to them, or they think it is not. They are not finding any passion in it.
Hmm. See, I am not the person who will be able to suggest you something or suggest somebody.
Hmm.
I can share. I
Yes.
can share my own uh, experience. Right?
Hmm.
Hmm. संघर्ष में आदमी अकेला होता है. संघर्ष में आदमी अकेला होता है. सफलता में दुनिया का साथ होता है. जिस जिस पर ये जग हंसा है, उसी ने इतिहास को रचा. खुद से बहुत विश्वास रखो.
Hmm.
ठीक है ना सुनो, संघर्ष खुद से करो. पहिले स्वतःला जिंका.
Oh,
रोज स्वतःला विचारा की तुम्ही कोण आहात.
true.
आणि रोज स्वतःशी जंग लढल्यानंतर ना कोणाशी जंग करायची गरज नाही पडत. कारण आम्ही इतकी सेल्फ डिफाईन झालेलो असतो.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
दिस इज व्हॉट द राईट अप्रोच.
Yes.
कीप द अप्रोच राईट.
Hmm.
डू द वर्क फॉर completion of the work in a truthful way.
Hmm.
There is no other option.
Hmm.
Don't find out the uh, midway path.
Yeah.
There is no
Shortcuts.
midway path.
Yeah.
No, there is no other.
Hmm.
You have to walk the path.
Hmm.
अपनी लंबी लाइन खींचो.
Hmm.
दूसरों की लाइन छोटी करने में टाइम
Hmm.
हो रहा है.
Hmm. Hmm.
हमारी लाइन लंबी हो जाएगी ना, अपने आप दूसरे की छोटी होने में. उसके लिए मत सोचो, आगे बढ़ो और आप इंस्पिरेशन पास करो. बिकॉज एवरीबडी हैज गॉट अ फॉलोअर.
Yes.
रिस्पेक्ट.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Wonderful. Nice talking to you, and thank you very much. And
Thank you.
what I like about your personality is you go with complete conviction, and that's what makes it really wonderful. So they say no, there is no shortcut to hard work. So that's what you are proving. You are definitely proving. ब्रह्मार्पणं ब्रह्मवीर ब्रह्माग्नो ब्रह्मणाहुतं ब्रह्मैव तेन गन्तव्यं ब्रह्म कर्म समाधिना. खूप खूप धन्यवाद and all the best.
खूप सारे धन्यवाद.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.